Hello, my name is AJ Willie from BS with AJ, and this is my son James. He's going to be in the show one day. Anyway, I just wanted to take a moment to recognize another YouTuber named Ian. He does a really good job at running his channel. His channel is called AJ Designing, and he does a lot of digital art where he makes a lot of really good looking artwork with his, the program he uses is Corel Painting 2015, I believe. And everything he does is with a mouse. He doesn't have like a little iPad where he draws on or anything. He does it all with a mouse, and it turns out really well. So I contacted him and I wanted to see if we could do some type of collaboration. So I came up with the idea that maybe he could draw the logo for BS with AJ. So he said, of course, he'd be glad to. And I tell you what, it turned out really good. If you want to check out his channel, like I said, he shows you how to do some digital, excuse me, he shows you how to make digital art. He has some tutorials on it. He does just showing you some fast motion videos. He also does a couple real-time videos to show you how much time and effort he actually puts into these videos. I hope you go to check him out. We'll see you next time.